In this video, I will show you how to make $700 a day with YouTube Shorts using artificial intelligence. And the best part is that it's free. I just ask you to pay close attention in the next few minutes so you don't miss our making money details. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification. For today's tutorial, we're using a website called GetMuch. So you're probably wondering what GetMuch is and how it can help you make money with YouTube Shorts. Well, GetMuch is a game changer in the world of video marketing. At its core, the platform also uses artificial intelligence and cutting-edge marketing analytics to extract the most interesting, trending, and impactful clip from your live videos, meaning you don't have to spend hours searching through your content and trying to find the right clip for your YouTube short. GetMuch does all the hard work for you, not only saving your time, but also helping you create highly effective videos that are more likely to go viral with the mode. GetMuch's best-in-class artificial intelligence and marketing analytics can identify which videos are most likely to resonate with your target audience and which ones are currently trending. GetMuch also provides keynotes and trending lists in select video. It provides you with and makes it easier for you to optimize your YouTube Shorts for maximum visibility. With this information are more likely to show up in search results and get more hits. Now you're wondering if this tool is easy to use. All you have to do is copy and paste the link to the video of your choice. GetMuch, it takes care of the rest and creates several different short clips for you. Now we will start the registration process. Connect to the internet and take a few minutes of your time. First, go to the GetMuch website. When you are on the main page, you will see a registration button in the upper right corner. Click on the button to start. You will be asked to enter your email address and create a password. Be sure to choose a strong password that you will remember. This is the key to casing your account in the future. After filling in your information, click the register button to create a password. You will now be taken to the dashboard where you can start using the platform immediately. Now is the time to start producing your YouTube Shorts. Where do you start? The process is easy and intuitive to get started. You have to choose a live video that you want to make a short clip from. It can be your own video or from another creator in your niche. Find a video you want to work with. Simple, copy the link and go back to GetMuch. Paste the link of your chosen video into this tool. Then it will use artificial intelligence and advanced marketing analysis to extract the most engaging and impactful clip from your live from videos. After the tool has finished generating clips, you'll be presented with a variety of options to choose from, including different clips from the original video. Aligned with keyword, you will find trending lists that will help you optimize your shorts for maximum views so that you can choose the shorts that are most likely to go viral. Check it out and see which ones resonate with you. Once you find the shorts you want to use, you can edit it as needed and save it to your computer. You can choose different music. The different the content attract the attention of the view. Upload your YouTube shorts to YouTube. You have create an amazing variety using this AI. It's time to share them with the world to do what you need to create a new YouTube channel. Creating a YouTube channel is a simple process. Just go to youtube.com and after logging in with your Google account, click on your profile picture in the upper right corner and select create channel from the drop down menu, and from there you will be asked to enter your name and profile picture. Select for your channel. After creating your channel, choose a name and image that accurately reflects your brand and position. When to start uploading shorts, Gitmunch will provide you with the description of the video and the keyword of each short and upload them to your channel. It is important to note that the goal should be to upload a maximum of 5 shorts per day. This may seem like a lot, but if you want to grow your channel quickly and generate significant revenue from your content, it's also important to optimize your videos for maximum engagement, including catchy hashtag title and calls to action in each video. Insert viewer to like, comments, and subscribe to your channel. Finally, make sure you engage with your audience by responding to comments and creating sense of community of your channel. This will help you build a loyal following and increasing your chance of earning through affiliate link and more. If you're looking to earn extra money researching your YouTube channel, adding affiliate links is a great way to do it. Affiliate link to your YouTube companies, you must first sign up for an affiliate program. There are many different programs available, but some popular options include Amazon, ClickBank, and Commission Junction. After sign up for an affiliate program, you can start adding your YouTube affiliate links. Make a purchase when someone clicks on your affiliate links and you will receive commissions. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to channel and click on the notification bell smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.